children. Children, today we are going to start with practical number 3rd, that is application of derivative. Okay, 2 practicals I have already completed based on logic and matrices. Okay children, but before I start my practical, I will show you handbook, okay, which you are supposed to complete. See, this one is standard 12th practical book. Okay, you are going to purchase this one, Bal Bharti. Okay, clear? Now I will show you. See, your name, junior college name, division in which you belongs, your 12th science roll number. Okay, next, this is index page. Okay, see, index page. Logic I have already completed. Date of experiment you will write the day when I completed this one, logic. Matrices also I have already completed it. You will write date, respective date. Okay, then, and today I will start with practical number 9, that is 3rd practical, but it is practical number 9. Why I am taking 9th practical? Because I have completed this theory. I have completed application of derivative part 1. That is the reason I am going to start with this practical, practical number 9. Okay, here also you will write today's date only, that is 11th January 2021. Okay, next, see, this is your handbook. See children, this is question number 3rd, which is of fill in the blank type. Question number 3rd, you can see fill in the blank type, which I have already sent you PDF. I have completed and send you PDF. You will write here only. This one, example number 5 is also completed. Practical 1 already I have completed. Okay, one of the student asked me, madam, we are not having space to write down truth table. What you can do, suppose you are having, you are facing space problem, you can write half table below. Even though if you are facing problem, what you do, what I will suggest, you can write it on a paper, blank paper you can write, if you are not able to write in this one. Okay, otherwise if it is possible, write down in the same only. This one, example number 7. Students are facing problem because of less space. I can understand that. Try to write in small handwriting if possible. If not, then write down on a separate plain page. Okay, next, this is a practical number 2nd, matrices. Already I have completed all this. Okay, you will write as it is, as I have given all these things. Okay, next thing, few students are asking, madam, you have sent us reduction in practical. Okay, few questions are there which are deducted. For example, see, this is your practical number 9, application of derivative, first part. In this practical, this question number 4 is reduced. Okay, I have already sent it. Reduce means what? We are not going to set paper in the using these questions. We will not put this question in your HSC board practical. Are you getting my point? Means this question, example number 4 is not there for this academic year 2020-21. Remaining all problems you are supposed to solve, you are supposed to complete. In practical 1 and 2 I have solved every problem, even though there are also few problems which are reduced, but I have solved every problem. You write it down as it is. Is it clear? Please take this book only. This is last page, cover page of the handbook, and no need to purchase any journal. See, question number 1, that is example number 1 is, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Curve is given. Okay, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at x equals to 0. This type of problem is already being completed in your theory part. Okay, it is solved over here. Example number 1 and 2 are solved. example number 3 is fill in the blank type. I was facing very problem while writing because space is very less. So I have written it in separate page. Okay, and you can copy it down from there. See children, same this example number 3 I have solved on foolscap paper. Okay. Okay, what is question? What you are asked over here? Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the locus of an asteroid given by x equals to a cos cube t and y equals to a sin cube t at the point t equals to pi upon 4. At the point t equals to pi upon 4. If you remember how to find equation of a tangent, how to find equation of a tangent and normal, in theory we have already completed. If you are given a curve, suppose this is a curve and you want to find equation of tangent and normal at a point, suppose this is point P, then what we will do? First we find slope of the tangent at point P. You remember? First we will find slope of the tangent at point P, and to find slope of the tangent what we will do? If you are given a equation y equal to f of x, what we do? We find its derivative, that is dy by dx, dy by dx, and then after finding dy by dx we find value of this dy by dx at this point. Suppose coordinate of point is x1 comma y1, then we will find dy by dx at x1 comma y1. And you know what this is? What derivative of y with respect to x at a given point, at a particular point, it represents slope. It represents slope of the tangent. You remember? It represents slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent to the curve, at point P. Slope of the tangent to the curve at point P. Means first we will find dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Now think is that here you are not given equation y in terms of x. You are given x in terms of t as well as y in terms of t. This we call it as parametric equation. But we are interested to find dy by dx, to find slope. And then how to find dy by dx here? First we will find dy by dt because x is given in terms of t. Then what are the steps over here? First we will find dx by dt, derivative of x with respect to t. Okay. Then you will find derivative of y with respect to t. After finding these two, you will find dy by dx, dy by dx. What is formula to find dy by dx? It is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is dy by dx, and then you will find dy by dx at given point x1 comma y1. Let us do it. I have solved it. You can see. I will even send PDF of this one so that you can write it. Children, we are given x equal to a cos cube t, y equal to a sin cube t. Let us give it equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. See this question. Okay. Now we want to find dy by dx, dy by dx. This one. See, we want to find dy by dx, right? And dy by dx equal to dy by dt dx by dt. Means first we will find dy by dt and dx by dt. Okay. See, I have found here, I have solved here dx by dt, derivative of x with respect to t, derivative of x with respect to t. And what is x? This one is x, a into cos cube t. A is constant as it is. Derivative of cos cube t will be 3 into cos square t. Again we will find derivative of cos t using chain rule. Then it is equal to 3a cos square t, and derivative of cos is minus sin t, and I have written here. Minus is written over here. Okay. Then we will find derivative of y, differentiating second one with respect to t. This is second equation, y equal to a sin cube t. Okay. Second equation. Then its derivative will be a constant. Derivative of sin cube t will be 3 sin square t. Again derivative of sin t using chain rule, that is cos t. Then final answer is 3a sin square t into cos t. This is dy by dt. Then we will find dy by dx. What is formula of dy by dx? dy by dt upon dx by dt. Substitute these values, this numerator, this one is denominator. See, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, a cancelled, sine square is there. One sine will get cancelled with sin t, one cos will get cancelled with cos t. What remains? Sin t upon cos t, and that is equal to tan t, and this is minus sign, minus of tan t. This is dy by dx. Okay. Now children, after finding dy by dx, as I told you, we will find dy by dx at given point x1 y1, means the point where we want to find tangent. Are we given x1 y1? Are we given point over here? Just think about it. We are not given point directly, but what they have given? What they have given, find equation of tangent and normal to this asteroid curve when t equal to pi by 4. When t equals to pi by 4. Then this t equals to pi by 4 will help us out to find the corresponding point where we want to find equation of tangent. Are you getting my point? That means to find x1 and y1 we will use this t equals to pi by 4. Is it clear? Now children, because it is an equation given in parametric form. See, x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to a sin cube t you are given. When I substitute value of t equal to pi by 4 in this equation 1 as well as in equation 2, won't you think we will get that point at which we want to find equation of tangent? Are you getting my point? What I will do? I will substitute value of t here in equation 1 and then I will get particular value of x. I will substitute value of t equal to pi by 4 in equation 2. I will get particular value of y. That means x coordinate and y coordinate. I will get the particular value, that is this one, x1 y1, where I want to find equation of tangent. Okay. Now that means we need it. Because of that I have solved it here. You can solve it after finding dy by dx also, no issue. If you are solving it here before, that's good. Okay, because we need value of x1 and y1 to find slope. Now x1 equals to a cos cube pi by 4. See, x1 equal to a cos cube, in place of t I have written pi by 4, which is a cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, its cube, answer is a upon 2 root 2. Then from equation 2, y1 equal to a sin cube pi by 4, answer is a upon root 2. Therefore children, the point which is required is nothing but a upon 2 root 2 and a upon 2 root 2, x coordinate and y coordinate. Here they are same. It's not necessary that they will be same. Okay. Now let us find out dy by dx at this point, that will be slope of the tangent. Okay. Children, we are having dy by dx equal to minus tan t. Now we will find dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4, means here in place of t we will substitute pi by 4. And what is minus tan of pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4 will be minus 1. Okay. That means slope of the tangent is minus 1. See, slope of the tangent at t equal to pi by 4 is m equal to minus tan pi by 4, that is minus 1. Also we are asked to find equation of normal. To find equation of normal we need to find slope of normal. The slope of normal at t equal to pi by 4 is, it will be negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. Let me take it as m dash, which is equals to minus 1 upon m, minus 1 upon minus 1, that is 1. This is slope of tangent and this is slope of normal. Now how to find equation of tangent? We will find equation of tangent using slope point form. Now children, we will find equation of tangent using slope point formula, that is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, and we know x1 comma y1 is a upon 2 root 2 and a upon 2 root 2. Y minus y1 equals to slope of the tangent is minus 1 into x minus x1, and you solve it. It's simple calculation, just solve. Okay. minus into x, minus into minus plus this one, y into 2 root 2 minus, if nothing is there in denominator, that means it is 1 into a upon 2 root 2. Same on right hand side in a similar manner, this 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 will get cancelled over here, they will get cancelled, only numerator remains. Write down every terms on left hand side, take out 2 common from the equation and divide throughout by 2.